Hey everyone, welcome back to Sam Trading Strategies. Are you tired of guessing market direction and losing trades again and again? Imagine if you had a clear signal telling you exactly when to buy and when to sell. In this video, I'll show you a powerful triple confirmation setup using just one simple concept. When all three confirmations align, the winning accuracy shoots up. Even if you're a complete beginner, you can follow this method step by step and start practicing it today. And the best part? I'll reveal the exact settings of these three SuperTrend indicators later in the video, so make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss anything important. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. Trading involves high financial risk and can result in loss of your capital. Always test any strategy on a demo account first and only trade with money you can afford to lose. I am not providing any financial or investment advice. Now let's understand how this triple confirmation setup works, step by step, so you can follow it easily while trading. Before we start, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you want more strategies like this every week. Rule 1. Use three confirmations together. We are using three SuperTrend indicators along with Heikin Ashi candles. Wait until all three SuperTrends show the same direction, either all green for an uptrend or all red for a downtrend. Rule 2. Confirm candle direction. When you see all three SuperTrends showing green, check the candles. You should see at least two strong green Heikin Ashi candles with no long lower wicks. That confirms buyers are strong. If all three SuperTrends are red, you need two strong red Heikin Ashi candles with no long upper wicks. Rule 3. Avoid support and resistance traps. Never take a buy trade directly at a resistance level. Never take a sell trade directly at a support level. Always enter when there is space for price to move in your direction. Rule 4. Entry timing. Once all confirmations are there, enter the trade at the open of the next candle. Use the 1-minute chart and set the trade expiry to 5 minutes. Rule 5. Risk control. Only risk 1 to 2% of your balance per trade. Stop trading after 2 losses and come back in the next session. Now, I know it's hard to remember all these rules when you're just starting out, so I've made it super easy for you. I've created a free bonus PDF checklist just for this video. You can download it right now from my Telegram channel. The link is in the video description. This way, you don't have to keep pausing the video or taking notes. Just grab the PDF and keep it open while you trade. Now that you know the full rules, in the next part, I'll show you the exact SuperTrend settings and live chart examples, so you can start practicing this strategy. All right, let's see this live example. Here, I got a clear sell signal. All three SuperTrend indicators turned red and stayed above the price, showing strong downward momentum. At the same time, Heikin Ashi showed two clean red candles with no long upper wicks, confirming sellers are in control. So, I entered a 5-minute sell trade at the start of the next candle. As the trade continued, you can see the price moving slowly down. The candles are staying red, and all three SuperTrends are still red, which means the downtrend is still active. There were a few small pullback candles, but they didn't break above the SuperTrend lines, so the trend stayed intact. And here's the result. After 5 minutes, the candle closed well below my entry. This sell trade ended in profit because I followed all the rules. Triple SuperTrend confirmation, strong Heikin Ashi candles, and I avoided support levels. Always remember, not every trade will win, but following your rules gives you the best chance to stay consistent. Here's another live example. At this point, all three SuperTrend indicators turned red and were clearly positioned above the price. At the same time, I saw two strong red Heikin Ashi candles forming with no long upper wicks. This showed strong selling pressure. So I entered a 5-minute sell trade at the open of the next candle. As the trade continued, you can see the price slowly moving down candle by candle. The SuperTrend stayed red, confirming that the downtrend was still active. There were a few small blue pullback candles, but they could not break above the SuperTrend lines. So I stayed confident in the trade. And here's the result. The 5-minute candle closed well below my entry point. This sell trade ended in profit because I waited for full triple confirmation, checked Heikin Ashi candles, and avoided taking the entry near any support zone. Now that you've seen how this strategy works in real market examples, let me quickly show you how to set up the three SuperTrend indicators on your chart. SuperTrend 1, Fast Trend Detector. Click on Indicators. Search for SuperTrend. Add it once. ATR period, 7. Multiplier, 3. This fast SuperTrend reacts quickly to price moves and gives early trend signals. SuperTrend 2, Medium Trend Filter. Add the second SuperTrend from the Indicators list. ATR period, 10. Multiplier, 2. This one filters out small price noise and confirms the trend more clearly. SuperTrend 3, Slow Trend Confirmation. Add the third SuperTrend. ATR period, 15. Multiplier, 1. This slow SuperTrend confirms the overall direction and avoids false breakouts. And that's it. Your triple confirmation setup is now ready. And that's it. This is how the triple confirmation strategy works using 3 SuperTrend indicators and Heikin Ashi candles. If you follow all the rules step by step, this method can help you avoid random entries and trade only with strong trend confirmation. But remember, this video is only for educational purposes. Practice this setup on a demo account first until you build confidence, and never risk money you can't afford to lose. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon so you never miss new strategies I share. Also, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. The link is in the description, where you can download the free PDF checklist for this strategy and many more upcoming setups. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with another powerful strategy. Until then, keep learning and keep practicing. Happy trading.